Hello friends, hope everything is fine with you guys. So now in this lecture we are going to work with this line tool to create some lines. Now previously only we have seen a really cool project where we have created some interesting shapes and also we have drawn a fish using this line tool and this width tool, remember? Now let's concentrate on only line tool in this lecture. So what happens is, in order to work with this line tool or with any tool, first of all you need to select it. So let's select the line tool, come at any point in your document, click and start dragging. And this controls the stroke. Let's increase the stroke, increase the stroke weight, and let's zoom in. Okay, so this is a line, but it's not that straight, isn't it? Let's create another line and see, it's not even straight. Let's try to draw a straight line. Even then you will see that it's not that straight. See, now you can draw a straight line using the shift key. Yes friend, that shift magic. So just hold the shift key and then you will see that it's a perfect straight line. It can be 0 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree, like this. Okay, so again leave the mouse first and then the shift key. So this is the line tool. Now again, like others also, you can draw a line using two methods. One is by clicking and start dragging, right? And for drawing a straight line you need to just hold the shift key, that's it. And method 2 is just by clicking. See, here you can control the length. Let's make it say 100 point, and angle, you can control the angle. Let's make it 90 degree. Now let's click on OK. This is the one. Okay, and from here you can change the width profile. See, it's interesting, isn't it? Well, let's create a big line. Let's make it say 500 points. Click on OK. Yup, this is the one. Let's increase the stroke weight and let's zoom out a little bit. Yup, this is the one. And let's change the width profile to something else like this. Let's zoom in again. Now for zooming in, what we are doing, we are just pressing Ctrl plus. Ctrl plus for zooming in and Ctrl minus for zooming out. Ctrl plus zoom in, Ctrl minus zoom out. Okay, so that's it. You can even change the stroke color if you wish. See, just like this. Well, let's make it blue. Yup, see, you can change the width profile if you wish. You can change the stroke width, and for this I guess fill is not necessary. Yeah, because it's a line, it will be having stroke only. Okay, so that's it. Here in this lecture we have seen how we can work with the line tool, and remember this one, width tool. Well, we will cover this width tool but later on. Yes friend, and there also we will create another interesting shape. Yes, so for now let's skip it and let's concentrate on creating shapes using the tools that we are having. In our next lecture we will take a look at arc tool. Yes friend, I'm really very excited. So see you in the next lecture. Till then, have fun, take care.